In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 big problems you might face when you use a pipe with holes like here in order to get water distributed at a waterfall or at the indoor waterfall. I'm gonna use this example because actually it's pretty sad, because this is a real good craftsman's work. Actually, it's really a artistic design, and it's high quality stainless steel work here. But the sad thing is that the guy who has built it probably never has built a water wall before, because otherwise he would have used another water distribution system. So 3 problems will occur when you use a system like this. The first one, you can see it here. You don't get a complete water distribution. As you can see, we have here at the left and at the right side dry zones. So this is because of the water distribution and because of the borders here. So that's going to get ugly, because you might imagine that this is actually not looking good if you don't have the complete surface covered with water. It's a sad, because you have a very beautiful waterfall, but it's not covered completely. Then the second problem is that you don't get waves which are all over the surface. You get separated streams, as you can see here, because the water streams, they get out here out of the holes, and then when they touch each other in that zone, you don't have waves, you just have like blank areas. You can see it a little bit here. It's like the waves are broken or interrupted. So if you would use another system, like for example here with the overflow channel, you can see that the waves are not interrupted and they cover the whole surface. Only thing here is we had to use 2 plates, so we have a slightly visible line here. So that's actually the second problem when you use a pipe with holes in it. You see those, you will see those stripes at the water wall. And the third problem, which might really cause damage, is that, as you can see here, if you have a lower pressure with the water, or if the holes get polluted, the water will find its way here to the bottom of the pipe, and then it will you will have free falling drops, which then, when they hit the bottom, create splashing. So if this is your pipe and here is the hole, and then the water is wandering down here, and then you have free falling drops, and when they hit down here, they get quite a good speed, and then they create splashes, which then can create water damages. So this is why it's pretty dangerous to use a pipe with holes to distribute water on a water wall. I've also seen people doing it like that, so they have put the hole a little bit more at the down side of the pipe, and then they have placed the plate with a slight angle. So in case if the drops would wander, they still would first hit the plate instead of hitting the ground and then create splashing. But if you put the plate to an angle, actually it doesn't look very good, and you really don't need to do that. So I've been building water walls for 12 years now, and we always use 100% straight plates with 0 angle, and we found out that it's the best way to get beautiful waves. So I hope that you have learned that you should not use pipes with holes in order to create a water wall, because you will have dry areas at the sides. You will have visible stripes and interrupted waves, and you might get splashes because when the holes get polluted, then you get free falling drops that create splashes, noises, and water damages. So I hope to see you soon, and please subscribe to my free Waterfall school at vavazen.net. Thank you. Bye bye.